Hi everyone, Anna Will with IgnitePOST here. I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to send a quick send within IgnitePOST. You might be wondering, what are quick sends? They are one-off cards that you want to get out the door rather quickly. Now, this is not something where you're going to upload a list of recipients and send out a batch number of cards. It's not an integration or automation, and it's also not our scheduled sends feature. Instead, it's creating an individual card that you want to get out the door within typically around 72 hours. So the first thing you do is you're going to log into ignitepost.com, and then you're going to click on this orange button that says Quick Send. From there, you have the ability to go ahead and just scroll down and create a letter from scratch if you wish to do so. You have your default shipping address, which is the next available date to get that card out the door, or you can schedule a date out for the future if you wish to do so. Starting a letter from scratch is going to require you to enter in your sender details. I'll go ahead and do that now. And it is Suite 205. Now, this is important because having a sender address on your card does actually influence your open rates. So not only is it important if you have accidentally sent out a card to an incorrect address you want to get returned to you, but also the fact that it does influence open rates by having a first name and last name on your sender address details. Once I have filled that out, I'm going to go ahead and put in my recipient details here. Company is not required, but I'm just going to go ahead and use it for today's example just to kind of show you what it looks like. And Jane is in San Diego. I'm going to go ahead and add her zip code. Now the default handwriting style is our Clayton handwriting style, but I'm going to go ahead and change it to, let's say, Sarah. From here, I can go ahead and start my message, and I can say, there we go. I'm just going to go ahead and put in a quick default message. Now I can either use one of our existing preset templates in terms of images on the front, or I can go ahead and upload my own image. And then I just go ahead and scroll down. If I like this letter template and I want to use it in the future for someone else, I can say, save this letter as a template for future use. If not, I just hit send, and the card will be out the door within typically about 72 hours. Now, if you don't want to reinvent the wheel and start a letter from scratch, another way is to just click on Quick Send and use one of your existing letter templates and then modify it for that particular recipient. So I'm going to go ahead and use our sample request template. I'm going to scroll down here, and you'll notice the sender address details was already filled out. I'll go ahead and type in my recipient details. Again, Jane is in San Diego. I'll go ahead and put in her zip code. And you'll notice that it has pre-filled in the message that I had within that letter template. You may also notice there's a dynamic data there for the first name. I'm going to go ahead and erase that, and I'm going to go ahead and type in her individual name. Reason being, if we just left it there, it's not going to have a first name. So you do, on QuickSense, do need to fill in the individual's name. In fact, if I just left the dynamic data key there, it wouldn't even let me send it because it's going to tell you, hey, we don't want to send out a card that says, hi, first name. Instead, you want it personalized. Again, I have my image. If I wanted to upload a new one, I can, or I can go ahead and use one of the preset templates. And then I hit just send, and it's out the door, typically within about 72 hours. Remember, you can always see all of your past orders and when they're fulfilled on by clicking on the Orders tab up above. If you have any questions regarding quick sends, campaigns, automations, or scheduled sends, feel free to reach out to us at support@ignitepost.com. I hope you have a great day and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.